There isn't a home design that passes through here that doesn't have an amazing bathroom idea that is completed with a beautiful modern vanity unit. From ultra contemporary designs with shallow glass basins and waterfall taps to rustic wood vanities with bezel sinks and matte black faucets, we have seen and loved them all. It can be a daunting task to find your ideal vanity cabinet style with so much inspiration to peruse. Our modern interior designers team picked some modern bathroom vanity ideas for you. I am Sarah Love. In this video, I will show our designers team selected vanity ideas. To create a modern vanity in your bathroom, you need to create sleek lines with clean design. There shouldn't be lots of detailing or clutter. To achieve this look, consider installing a floating bathroom vanity that leaves the space under it open. The counter and cabinet should have smooth slab or shaker drawer fronts. Try to create long continuous lines that encourage the eye to flow through the entire bathroom. Embrace minimalism with low profile lighting and plumbing fixtures. Hope you enjoy full videos. We are adding some product links in the description box of the video. I think this helps our viewers to get the right products. If you buy something through the link, we may earn some commission. If you are interested to see more modern interior design ideas about modern bedroom interior design, modern living room interior design, and modern kitchen design ideas, videos listed in the description box. If not find enough, please let me know by comment. We'll make a new video for you.
Give you a good time.